Here's a video of the suitcase. It's got a nice handle here and a nice handle here. And you'll need it. It's big. So it's got some really nice handles to it. Padded here. Here. Place to put things there. All kinds of zipper pockets, and there's the handle. Nice button. Zippers. Also little hooks, and this is actually like a rubber. And you can see it's pretty easy. I'm doing it with one hand. There's that. And padded handles. These are all the way around. This bag is huge. It does not weigh a lot, but I can only imagine if you're stuffing this thing. There's a zipper pocket there, and here is the inside. I'll give you an idea. Put extra things in, help lock everything down. Woo, this bag's going to Tahoe with me. I can just imagine all my ski stuff fitting in here nicely. How exciting. Now, for really the ultimate test is, let's see the pattern. And zippers all work really well. How does it roll? There is the weight of the bag. So it is very light. Ooh, look at that, it's really smooth. Great coloring, very durable. This thing is awesome.